just posted the perfect photo on Instagram, but realized the song you picked is terrible. Do you have to delete the post and start over? No. I found a hidden workaround that lets you remove the music without deleting the post. First, we need to unlock a hidden setting. Go to your profile, tap the menu, the 3 lines at the top right, and now type brand in the search bar, and tap on brand in content. Make sure it says eligible with the green check mark. If you have that, you're golden. If you don't, simply click on it, and if you're eligible, click the button for branded content. Now go to that post with the bad song. Tap the 3 dots. You'll notice a normal edit button, but it doesn't let you touch the music. Instead, look for partnership label and ads. Now toggle add paid partnership label. And hit done. Because copyright rules are different for ads, Instagram automatically strips the music from your post. You notice it says paid partnership at the top now. Ever wonder how to send audio files on Instagram? Check out this video.